Let's see some automated functions of the drone, shall we? First one is target tracking. See that white van? I selected that when it scanned all the moving objects. It is now following it. I'm not touching the controller at all. So the drone itself is static in the air and it's just keeping its camera focused on it, which I think is pretty ace. It even lost it slightly through the tree but managed to recover it as it went round the roundabout. It's nice and smooth. It's very useful if you've got a moving target. You haven't got the greatest of piloting skills, well, just tell the drone to watch it and it will. All done. The second time is waypoint mode. So before I even took off in the air, I opened the map on the controller and I plotted a course for it. And each plot, so I've got 6 waypoints in this one. Each one I told it what altitude to go at, what speed to go at, the camera gimbal angle and any zoom, and what to function, like take pictures, take video, or stop recording. So I'm just going around Rupert's dog walking route at the minute. He likes to have a good sprint around this circuit, as long as there's no animals there. You can see a seagull flying through. Right around the bend, and then we go back home, following the tree line. I don't have to touch the controller.